Good morning, John. Have you finished with the reports? Our boss is asking for them. Good morning, Abraham. Yes, they are in my office. Let me get them for you. Give me a minute. Sure, but are you okay? You look a little upset. What happened? Um, I'm fine. Just a little worried. I have been having some problems. You can tell me. I mean, we're not close friends, but you can't work well if you're not okay. We need to be okay to work hard and to achieve our goals. So tell me, what's going on? Well, I suppose you're right. I have some problems to pay for some things, Abraham. You know, I have a family. I have two children, and both of them study at the school. Yeah, you told me about that last time. What happened to them? Are they fine? Yeah, they're fine, but college membership is becoming more and more expensive. My salary is not enough. I have to pay a lot of things, and I'm worried about that now. I see. Well, why don't you try to ask for a pay raise? You have 5 years working here. I mean, if you ask for a pay raise, I'm sure the boss will consider it. Come on, do it. I already did it. And yeah, I got a pay raise last year. And it's not enough. And I can't ask for another pay raise now. I just need extra money to pay for some things. Extra money? But there are some things you can do to make some extra money. Really? How can I do that? You and me, we both have the same salary. And you also have children. How do you do to pay for all those things? Help me, please. Yes, you're right. I have 3 kids, and the payment here is not enough. I know that. I will help you. Don't worry. Let's see. Hmm, freelancing. Freelancing is a tried and true way to earn extra money. I do that. Freelancers deliver work on a per project basis for one or more clients, and you can schedule it in your spare time. Freelance graphic designers, writers, editors, and website developers are in high demand. And other fields offer freelance opportunities as well. Skilled mechanics, trained bookkeepers, video editors, interior decorators, and even licensed real estate agents can do it. As I told you before, I also do it. I know how to edit videos. Sometimes I edit videos for people. Of course, I don't do it in my working hours. I always do it in my spare time. That's a good idea. I am very good at writing. I got good grades in my writing course. I could write or correct text for people. My grammar and writing is really good. You see? That's perfect. You can start with that. Very good. Something that I also do is to sell at local markets and festivals. It works very well for me. For this, you don't need to be an expert. What I did was I investigated about products, products on demand and easy to sell. I discovered that plants and flowers are easily sold. So we found a place where we could buy the flowers and plants at a lower price. And then every Sunday in the morning, we go to this local market in our town. People sell many things there. We just do it on Sunday mornings. After that, we have the rest of the day for us. You can make great extra money with this idea. You can also sell food, technological things, etc. We usually make $200 or $300 in only one day, or only one morning. Of course, we have to pay some things like permissions and the stand, but it's a great business. What else? Digital product sales. Creating and selling digital products in your free time is great. Digital artwork, logos, music, photography, video and website design templates are a hot market. You can cash in by creating these digitally and selling via download on your own website. Social media platforms and digital product marketplaces. There are many platforms. Maybe you don't know, but I have a short course on how to play the guitar. I play the guitar very well. I used to play in a band many years ago. Anyway, I know how to play the guitar well. So I made an online course and I sell it on digital platforms. There are only 10 videos. It's just the basic. And I don't make a lot of money with this, but it's always good, some extra cash. What else? YouTube channel. Personally, this is one of my favorites. It's a great way to make money in your spare time by sharing what you know, discussing current events, or providing entertainment. YouTube is free to use. And you can monetize YouTube videos once you've reached at least 1,000 subscribers and average over 4,000 video watch hours per year. Now, this can take a while to achieve, but with work, it's possible to earn good money each month. What is the key to succeed on YouTube? Well, you have to start talking about something you know very well, or you're better at than most people. It can be games, education, entertainment, music, stories. Yeah, that's a good idea. You said you were good at writing. You can make videos about how to write properly. Or you can write stories and then make videos to illustrate them. That sounds like a good idea. Also, you can create podcasts, but you need to be good at telling stories. It depends on you. You can become an e-commerce reseller, sell artisan products, sell goods via drop shipping. There are many things you can do to make extra money. If you want to know more ideas, I can help you. But now we have to work. It's very late and we haven't started working yet. Let's go. Yes, that's okay. And thank you so much for that information. I will do it. Now I know I can make extra money. Let's continue talking about this later. If you also want to know more about ideas to make extra money, let us know in the comments. I hope you liked this conversation. If you could improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend.